Good morning, everyone. Today we will be starting the topic electric potential energy of any system of charges. Previously, we have gone through potential gradient and the relation between E and V. Also, we have got to learn about the importance for the relation between E and V, how if we know the potential at any point, we can also calculate the electric field. Now, since we are talking about charges which are separated by a certain distance, or we are having some test charge which has been moved from infinity to a certain point, because of the combination of these two charges, and in potential we always talk about the work done per unit charge. Okay, this work done in moving charge from infinity to some point, कि जितना भी वर्क कर रहे हैं that will be stored in the charge as the electric potential energy. So how we will define electric potential energy? It is the work done that has been done in bringing those charges, okay, any amount of charge, okay, from infinity to near each other. एक charge की presence में we are moving one more charge, so that this forms or you can say this is considered as a system of charges separated by a certain distance. Now we know the formula or the way to write the electric potential because of the charges. Okay, इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एट पॉइंट बी, ये समझ लो एक, जैसे अभी तक बात कर रहे थे हम टेस्ट चार्ज को एक पॉइंट तक लेकर आए इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ दिस सोर्स चार्ज. Same condition we are going again, that electric potential at this point B due to A, इस A चार्ज की वजह से B पॉइंट पर what will be the electric potential. तो जो चार्ज हम मूव करवा के लाते थे वही यहाँ पे लिखते थे. अभी तक हम टेस्ट चार्ज मूव करवा के ला रहे थे इस सोर्स चार्ज के पास. सो आवर फॉर्मूला वाज V equals to W upon Q naught. Okay, in this case we are moving this charge Q2 in the vicinity of Q1. One formula we are already having, that electric potential can also be written as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. इस मेन सोर्स चार्ज की वजह से इस बी पॉइंट पर कितना पोटेंशियल है, तो इस वाले सोर्स चार्ज की बात करेंगे. देयरफॉर Q1 अपॉन at how much distance we are considering the point, at r distance. So we have got the first relation. Also by the definition of electric potential, that it is the work done in bringing a test charge from infinity to a certain point. ओके, टेस्ट चार्ज की जगह हमारे पास क्या चार्ज है अब यहाँ पे Q2. सो दिस फॉर्मूला, ओके, W अपॉन Q2. कंबाइनिंग दीज टू और इक्वेटिंग दीज टू इक्वेशंस, व्हाट वी कैन से 1 अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट Q1 अपॉन R इज इक्वल टू W अपॉन Q2. ओके, rearranging the terms, Q2 we will send here. So the work done in bringing this charge at a certain distance R from infinity to a certain point is given by this formula. So whatever is the work done, okay, that you already know. जब हम कोई काम करते हैं किसी substance पे, that work is stored as a as the potential energy. Since we are talking about charges, so whatever work is done in bringing these charges to form a particular system, that will be called as electric potential energy. So potential energy, you already know that it is represented by capital U. So the final formula comes out to be U equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R. Okay, now some various conditions we are going to talk about. Like, now in this potential energy we always put the values of Q1 and Q2 along with the charges. So if we are talking about like charges, like positive charge, okay, in that case the potential, obviously अगर ये दोनों positive charges हैं, in that case U will come out to be positive. If both are unlike charges, या यहाँ पर पहली वाली कंडीशन में अगर दोनों ही चार्जेस नेगेटिव हैं तो नेगेटिव चार्जेस विल गिव यू अ पॉजिटिव वैल्यू ऑफ पोटेंशियल. ओके, सो इफ वी आर हैविंग लाइक चार्जेस, द पोटेंशियल वैल्यू विल ऑलवेज बी पॉजिटिव. इफ वी आर हैविंग अनलाइक चार्जेस, लाइक एक पॉजिटिव है एक नेगेटिव है, ऑब्वियसली देन द ओवरऑल वैल्यू विल बी अ नेगेटिव वैल्यू. अगर अनलाइक चार्जेस हैं, ऑलवेज देयर विल बी अट्रैक्शन. सो अगर यू की वैल्यू नेगेटिव है, ठीक है, यहाँ पर एक पॉजिटिव एक नेगेटिव है, यू की वैल्यू नेगेटिव, दैट मीन्स बोथ आर हैविंग अट्रैक्टिव प्रॉपर्टी बिटवीन दीज टू चार्जेस. इफ both the charges are like charges, positive positive or negative negative, obviously the answer will come out to be positive, and that means both the charges have repulsive property.